Hey guys, I just wanted to come in and show you a new product that I am releasing. And in here, you need to get a gift packet size, which is like trial size. This has 3 ounces of the soap in it. This is the full size, which is an 8-ounce jar. And then, let me show you what this does. I have a little left over from my recipe. So I have my hot water. Well, it's not as hot anymore. And then I have a little left over from my packet. Now this has pink Himalayan sea salt. This has pink Himalayan salt, sea salt, coconut flour, and baking soda. So you would run that underneath a hot bath while you are running your bath water. This has a chocolate caramel smell, which will go great with our Cocoa Caramel Dreams bar or our chocolate covered caramel. Very good companion, and you put it in and you let it sit and you can soak your body in this. Salts have up to 84 trace minerals in them that can help your body as far as pain reduction, inflammation reduction, getting magnesium, and so forth. And you would soak your body in here as long as you needed to while you're taking your bath. And you'll detox and feel really, really good. This dissolves fairly quickly depending on how hot your water is. As you can see. And once again, this has jojoba oil, chocolate powder, all natural chocolate powder. It has fragrance oils. It has pink Himalayan salt and sea salt. This is a very, very good body soap. And you can find these on my Etsy shop at silentlyadorable.etsy.com.